Hi guys, so the second step in crypto is ultimately you need a wallet. Okay, now in case if people are wondering what is a wallet, well, it's effectively your own bank account. Okay, so let me show you what I mean by this, because in the crypto world, okay, you've got exchanges which you have explained in the first video. Okay, from those exchanges, from your own credit card or debit card or bank account, whatever, you're going to have that inputted in that exchange. Now, in the previous video, we use Coinbase, okay, but you can use Binance, blockchain, CoinMama. There's so many out there. There's hundreds of exchanges out there. So you put your credit card details in there. You're now going to buy a bunch of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever currency you want from the exchange, and that sits in your exchange wallet, okay, which is this. Now, you don't want to put or transfer money from these exchanges directly into various programs that you may be involved in the online space, okay? You don't want to directly put this in. This is what we are trying to avoid, okay? So we don't want to do this. Instead, what we want to do, and if I draw this out in blue, is that with this particular wallet that we've got in place, yeah, we want to draw the money out from there and put it into our own wallet, okay? And the reason why we want to do that is because number one, it's a lot safer. Number two, you got more control. Number three, the transactions from here to here are going to be a lot quicker. Okay, so ultimately now you've got your funds in this wallet, and now you just basically want to send these funds out to all the various programs that you might be involved in. And that's the basically general gist of the whole process. Also, when you're in these programs, which I'll highlight in red, what you'll find is that you're generating profits from various programs. Okay, we certainly are. And what we tend to do is all the profits that we make from each of these programs, it goes back into our wallet. Yeah, and that's the process basically. This wallet here is your own personal wallet. No one's got access to it. It's not public. For example, this wallet here is a public wallet, okay? Because it belongs to the exchange, Coinbase. Now, CoinMama, for example, doesn't have its own wallet. You literally buy, if I do that in brown, you actually buy these cryptocurrencies from CoinMama as an example, and you send that directly to whatever wallet you're in. So that's another way exchanges function. Okay, but obviously we're given an example of Coinbase. So Coinbase has its own wallet. When you purchase cryptocurrency, it sits in that wallet, and then from that wallet you want to transfer it into your own wallet. Now, this particular wallet that we are talking about here, highlighting in purple, there are many, many different wallets you can buy. But ultimately, you have got full control of your funds in that wallet. Okay? It's your wallet, you're responsible for it. If you give away your password or your numeric phrase or anything like that, consider you've lost that money or those assets all inside that wallet. All right? So I really, really want to home that in you. You are 100% responsible for your actions. Okay, you got to make sure it's secured. You've got to make sure you got the 2FA in this wallet. You want to make sure you got all the security in this wallet, and you've got to put all these things in place. That said, the wallet that we recommend is Exodus. It's free, and it's very fast, and it's very reliable, and um, uh, it's very popular amongst the Kryptonians out there around the world. A lot of people use this wallet internationally. Okay, so all you have to do, if you just Google Exodus wallet, okay, and this is the website. Okay, so you just simply click on that, and you just click on the top right corner, download. and you can download it on your mobile or on your desktop, and you can actually integrate the two. This is a recent thing they can do. Now, obviously, if you're on Apple, you download the Apple. If you're on Google, you download from Google Play. But generally speaking, in my opinion, and this is my personal opinion, you should use the Exodus wallet on your laptop or your computer. It's a lot easier to function. I think it's a lot safer because you've got a lot more security facilities on your computer embedded. Um, and and really it's just the functionality of it is a lot easier. Okay, so recommend downloading this on your computer, and everything is all good. So you just click on that button, it will download it, okay, onto your desktop, and then once you download it, you then need to register and go through the general registration process, which is very simple. It's quite easy to do. If you do get stuck, send us a message and we can help you out. But you can also email support here as well. They're very, very good, and they do answer back quite quickly. Um, but the registration process is very, very simple. The one thing I want to make sure in the registration process that you do is make sure you get your 2FA set up, Google Authenticator, okay? Passwords. They're going to give you a numeric phrase, okay? So passwords are very, very important, and do not show this to anyone. And the numeric phrases that they're going to give you when you register with this um, is also very important to keep. These things you want to make sure you keep them in a encrypted USB key or some form of USB external kind of like system. Okay, have hard copies of it. Keep it somewhere, maybe in a safe as well as a backup. Maybe have two backups digitally and one backup as a hard copy. Okay, have them located in different places so you know where they are. And anything you do on crypto, keep them all in the same place. Okay, because please, 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 we have had many people saying, I've lost my numeric phrase, I've lost my password. If you lose this, guys, consider you've lost your wallet. Okay, it's a harsh reality. It's as simple as that. You've lost all your funds that were in that wallet, and you're not going to be able to get it back unless you remember what your password is or your numeric phrase is. So it's very, very important to keep hold of this. So that said, with the security out of the way, once you register with Exodus, the application inside it is very, very easy to use. I'm going to quickly, briefly show you how it works. Okay, this is the Exodus wallet. As you can see, it sits on your desktop. Um, and it usually says new updates available. I just click no because it runs fine. You got your various wallets, currencies, in this wallet. Okay, and if you want to add some more, you can go to search button, search whichever one you want. You can add it, okay, as your shortcut listing. This is actually your home button here. This circle represents how much you've got in which um, currency. So obviously I've got a lot in Link at the moment because the price of that has risen in this particular wallet. I've got some in ZRX, I've got a little bit in TUSD, I've got some in BTC. And if you click on it, it can show you, how much you've got in on there. And then if you click on, let's say BTC, you've got this very simple structure. And if you want to send, you can send. If you want to receive, you can receive to this wallet. It will give you the wallet address. You could change to that wallet address. Um, and then that's your in and out basically. Okay, so I use this wallet typically for if I want to receive. So obviously if you sign up to programs and they require a wallet address from you, you obviously give this one. So you just copy it, paste it into that program, and that's it. Every time you make profit and you cash out, it will come straight into here. Okay, and obviously if you want to send, you click send, and then you can send to whoever, whatever address you've got. You just click send, you paste your address in, you put how much you want. You can do all, you can do half, and it's very easy to use. The functionality is fantastic. You can do exchanges, okay? Exchanges, so for example, if you internally you want to transfer, let's say I want to transfer some links to Ethereum, okay? I'll just say I want to do half of them. and then I can transfer half of my links, chain links to Ethereum, hit the exchange button. This will temporarily decrease, but once the exchange has gone through, then obviously you're gonna see it come into the Ethereum. Okay, and obviously you do get a bit of a fee, and you can see that in the price difference at 227 of Chainlink, and then you're going to receive $218 of Ethereum, and you will see that representing in your kind of like your wallet here. Okay, and that's basically in a nutshell. Exodus wallet, guys, is very easy to use, is very safe. Just make sure you get those security protocols in place, and you'll be good to go. Okay, all the best. Cheers.